Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to make a simple animation, toy box animation. I hope you like it. It is simple animation with simple tricks. So let's see how to do in SolidWorks. I wish you like it. First we will create each and every part and assemble, and at the end we will do the animation with the help of basic motion. Here let's do the first part of toy box animation, base. So start from top plane, sketch, and here draw a rectangle. So just select center rectangle, exit, select both the vertical and horizontal line and create a relation equal. Now define the length 100 mm. Okay. Now extrude it up to 50 mm. Okay. Now the base material we are going to make a toy box animation, so we need wood. So go to appearance, go to organic. Here you will find wood. There are many wood. This is also looks nice. Okay. This looks better. Polished oak. Okay. Keep ambient perspective. If you will keep perspective, it looks perfect 3D. Now select the top face, sketch, draw center line, vertical center line, the same as horizontal center line, exit. Select here line and start our geometry. Connect with this up to here. Exit. Now select 3 lines, symmetric. This 3 lines, symmetric. This 3 lines, symmetric. This 3 lines, symmetric. Now we created a symmetric relation. Okay. Now select all these edges, line, and create relation equal. Okay. Now let's define 15.2 mm. Now see, is perfectly defined. Okay. Now select extruded cut. Now this cross going to cut. Keep the depth 15 mm. See here. Okay. Now see, if you choose ambient occlusion, it will look you perfect geometry, and real view, choose fillet. Keep 1 mm and select any one edge. Now here it is asking you to choose multiple edges. Here select right feature 35 edges. Okay. Now see, the all edges selected. This is what we want. Okay. Still but inside edges not selected. Okay, that's no need. Now save it, desktop, and create a folder, toy box animation, part number 1, base, save. Let's make the another part. Here let's do the second part, sliding bush. So select again top plane, sketch, go to sketch and find out here center rectangle. Draw a rectangle. Okay, and define it. Keep the dimension 25 by 15 mm. Vertical 15, 25 horizontal. Extrude it up to 20 mm. Okay. Let's select base material, polished oak. What we selected, select top face, sketch, select circle and draw a circle in midpoint, and let's keep the dimension 5.2 mm. Okay. Extruded cut and cut, keep the depth 10 mm only. Okay. Now you can see here we created a hole. Let's define the fillet. Keep 1 mm, select one edge, and here you will find multiple option. Okay. Now save this part number 2, sliding bush. Let's see the next part. Let's make the third part, sliding rod. Choose front plane, sketch, and find out here center rectangle. Draw a rectangle. Exit. Let's make the length 115 mm. 150 mm. And keep the width height 15 mm. Okay. And let's select extruded boss. Keep end condition mid plane and 10 mm. Okay. Now choose here part 3, go to appearance, and we select the base material, polished oak. That's it. Now select this face, sketch normal. First draw a midline, central, exit. Now here we want to create 2 circles. Exit. Now select both the circles and make relation equal. Okay. Now let's define. (15 mm) and let's say gap 46.29 mm, and let's make the keep the diameter 5 mm. Okay, and extrude it. Extrude up to 15 mm. Okay. Now choose fillet. Keep 3 mm. Select one edge, and here select the full body except those 2 circular extruded. Okay. Now go back, select this face, sketch, select normal, and here we want to create a hole. First we will find out midpoint and draw a mid center line. Now define circle. Okay, let's define the distance from outer edge, 30 mm. Diameter keep 5.2 mm. Okay, now select extruded cut and make the depth 8 mm. Okay, now see. So this is our sliding rod. Select part number 3, sliding rod. Okay, now let's see. Here let's make the last part, handle. Choose front plane, sketch, select here line, and start from above the origin point. Come little down, then convert it. Draw a quarter circle and connect with this point. exit. Select this line horizontal. Select these two points tangent relation. This perfect. Now let's define 2.5 8 mm. Keep the length 30 mm. Okay. Now do one thing, just drag those points inside. Okay, now it's going perfect. Take it down. That's better. Keep the radius 5 mm and distance from here to end point 15 mm. Now see, the geometry is fully defined. Select revolve boss base, bottom line as a axis or axis of revolution. Okay. Now choose fillet. Keep 1 mm and select both the edges and outer edge. Okay. Now select the part, go to appearance, polished oak. This is our material. Let's save this part number 4 handle. Now this is the all, we created all the parts of toy box, and let's create assembly. Now here let's start the assembly of toy box animation. Select here new assembly. Okay. Now this is the assembly window. Let's browse our first part. Go to desktop and find out your toy box animation, and here you can change the size of photo and parts. First we will select base, and let's try to adjust plane. Okay. Now sliding 1, select control key, click and drag and drop 2. Now it's time to add this. Choose here matte, go to standard matte, advanced matte, choose here width, select this face and this face. Now select this part. Now it is in center position. Okay, go to standard matte, select here coincide. Select the bottom face and this face. Now we want to keep some gap in between, 0.2 mm, because it's sliding. Okay, here select OK. Now see, it's sliding. Now it's time for this. Now select this wall and this wall. Sorry, go to advanced matte, width, one face selected, select here second face, first face, second face. Now you can see it comes in a center position. Okay, go to standard matte, select the bottom face and this bottom face, make distance 0.2 mm. See, it's moving along with this. Okay, let's browse the next part. Slide. Uncheck occlusion so it looks pretty nice. Select here matte. Select this rod and this hole. Reverse. Concentric relation. Okay. The same here, select this face and this face, concentric relation. Okay, now drag it here. See, now it's time to select inside face and this face and make gap 0.2 mm. Okay, now see, it is rotating like this. Let's bring the our last part, handle. Choose here mat relation, select the hole and this rod, concentric relation. Okay, take it out, select inside face and select this face, 0.2 mm. Okay, we keep one common relation for all parts. Now see, it's rotating. Now it's time to give some animation. So before animation, first save this assembly. Save, give any name and save. Now right click and select here motion manager. Select motion studies. Now it's time to define some motion. Now here select basic motion, go to properties and here 16 frame per second. Okay, now drag this window. I prefer up to 16 second. Now select here contact. Now I select first slider bush and body. These two parts we will select first. Okay, again choose contact. Now the second time select second part and body. See here. Okay, now it's time to select third time. In third time we will select 4 parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Select here. Okay, now choose motor. Select this top face and keep RPM 10. Okay, now select calculate. Now see, it's rotating. Now just make drop down and play. So now this is our simple toy box animation. I hope you like this animation. Don't forget to share and like our videos, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in Solidworks. Now after creating this animation you can save it, so directly click save animation. You can give any name here. Here you can choose your destination, AVI file, and this is the size of your video. I prefer 116 by 9 inch. See, this is full HD. I prefer 25 frame per second. Save. Now here asking keyframe unchecked. Okay, now it is again recalculate, and after finishing this recalculation it will save automatically and you will see how it works. So I hope you like this tutorial. It's a simple animation tutorial. Thanks for watching.